model, 66-plate Ford Transit Custom 290 Trend E-Tec high-top Ulez compliant Starstruck. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 117129. MOT, 29 May 2024. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2125 PS TDCI-B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, none runner, the timing chain has snapped. The timing chain cover has been removed. To confirm this, they should be straightforward simple repair, and remember this is ultra rare as it has the 2.2 very simple engine fitted, but it is also Ulez compliant, which is virtually unheard of. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, part service history, cruise control, parking sensors, 2 keys, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, 8,100.